What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and this is the Realme GT 5 Pro as we are almost less than a week away from the launch of the Realme GT 5 Pro, and here are its specifications, what you can expect from this smartphone from vegan leather finish to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in this phone. So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So the very first thing, talking about the display of the phone will be coming with the AMOLED display, and it's a 144Hz of high refresh rate in this phone and an HDR10 plus content support. Indeed, the display is a 6.78 inch of a display, which is a very large display, and the resolution is Full HD plus. Now the phone will be running on Android 14 out of the box and Realme UI 5.0. The processor is indeed a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a 4nm fabrication with the Adreno 750 GPU. Now you can get a maximum storage in this phone up to 1TB of internal storage and 16 gigs of RAM as well. The base variant of this phone will be starting by 8 plus 128 or 8 plus 256 GB. The UFS 4.0 storage will be present in the maxed out versions for the faster transfer speeds, which you will be needing at a 1TB of internal storage. But talking about the camera system, then it will also be having a decent enough camera with a triple camera setup of 50 megapixel of a primary sensor with OIS support, a teleporter camera of 50 megapixels as well, and it will also be having an OIS support, which is a bit of a surprise at the Realme smartphone. Now the third camera is an 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and the phone comes with dual tone LED flash. You also get an HDR support panorama and 4K at 30 or 60 FPS max. The phone also comes with the gyro EIS support as well. Well, if we talk about the selfie camera, then a 32 megapixel selfie shooter will be present in the form of punctual selfie cutout, and it can also do 4K at 30 FPS. Now you won't be getting a headphone jack with this flagship smartphone, and the stereo speaker setup will be present in the phone. However, if we talk about the battery of this phone, then it will be coming with a 5260 mAh battery, and the battery you will be charged via a 67 watt of fast charging, but the charging can also go up to max by 120 watts as that's not been clarified till now. Now the phone will be launching in multiple color options, but the price of this phone is set to be right now to be at around 40 to 50,000 rupees in Indian market, but considering you can get with at the price of 45,000 inclusive of card discounts as well. Now stay tuned for more updates for the Realme GT 5 Pro and many more other upcoming launches too, and consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom, and I'll see you in the very next one. Goodbye.